HIIT workouts for men over 50. Get fitter, stronger, and healthier. Hey guys, Travis here, your Monster Health Coach. Are you ready to crank up the energy and feel amazing? Today we're talking HIIT workouts for men over 50. That's right, fellas, age is just a number. We're gonna smash those fitness goals and get you feeling fitter, stronger, and healthier than ever. Listen up, because we're going to cover everything you need to know to get started with HIIT, even if you haven't worked out in years. We're talking about how to assess your fitness level, set achievable goals, and create a workout plan that fits your life. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. When you subscribe, I will personally reply to your comment. Let's do this. Know your starting line. Assessing your fitness level. Alright, before we jump into the HIIT workouts, we need to know where we're starting from, right? It's like hopping in your car without knowing how much fuel you've got in the tank. First things first, let's talk to your doctor. Especially if you haven't exercised in a while, it's crucial to get the all clear from your physician. They might suggest some basic health screenings just to make sure everything is A-OK. Now let's assess your current fitness level. Don't worry, this isn't about comparing yourself to anyone else. This is all about you, and understanding your own starting point. Think about how many days a week you can comfortably exercise. Are we talking 1 day, 2 days, more? Be realistic with yourself. Next, consider how long you can exercise in one go. Can you handle a solid 30-minute workout, or are we starting with 15 minutes? Remember, we're building a foundation here, so no need to go all out just yet. Finally, think about your intensity levels. Can you handle a brisk walk up a hill without gasping for air? Or are we starting with a gentle stroll around the block? Honesty is key here, my friend. Setting smart goals, your roadmap to success. Now that we know where we're starting, let's talk about where you want to go. Setting goals is like plotting your course on a map. It gives you direction and motivation. But here's the thing. We're not talking about vague goals like I want to get fitter. We're talking about smart goals. Specific, what exactly do you want to achieve? Do you want to be able to run a 5K, do 10 push-ups without breaking a sweat? Get specific. Measurable. How will you track your progress? Will you use a fitness tracker, a workout journal? Make sure you can measure your success. Achievable. Be realistic with your goals. Don't try to go from couch potato to marathon runner overnight. Start with small, achievable steps. Relevant, make sure your goals are meaningful to you. What motivates you? What do you enjoy? Time-bound, set a deadline for yourself. This will help you stay on track and motivated. Remember, your goals are personal. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own journey and celebrate every victory along the way. Chapter 3, your HIIT Blueprint. Creating a balanced workout plan. Alright, let's get down to business and create a HIIT workout plan that's perfect for you. A well-structured plan will not only help you achieve your fitness goals, but also keep you motivated and injury-free. Remember, HIIT stands for high-intensity interval training, and it's all about short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or active recovery. This method is highly effective for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. We'll start with a warm-up. Warming up is essential as it prepares your muscles and joints for the intense activity ahead, reducing the risk of injury. This is crucial to prepare your body for the workout ahead. A good warm-up increases your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles, making them more pliable and ready for action. Think light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks, and some dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings. These activities will help loosen up your body and get you in the right mindset for the workout. Now for the fun part, the HIIT intervals. This is where you'll really start to feel the burn and push your limits. We'll alternate between periods of high-intensity exercise and rest or active recovery. This approach maximizes calorie burn and keeps your metabolism elevated even after the workout. For example, you might sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 60 seconds. This combination of effort and recovery is what makes HIIT so effective. Repeat that cycle for 15 to 20 minutes. As you get more comfortable, you can adjust the duration and intensity to match your fitness level. Here are some HIIT exercises you can include. These exercises are designed to target multiple muscle groups and keep your heart rate up. Burpees, mountain climbers, jump squats, push-ups, high knees, and lunges. These exercises will help you build strength, endurance, and agility. Choose exercises that target different muscle groups for a full-body workout. This ensures that you are working on all areas of your body and not neglecting any muscle group. After your HIIT intervals, it's time to cool down. Cooling down helps your body transition back to a resting state and reduces muscle soreness. This is important for bringing your heart rate back down gradually. A proper cool down can also prevent dizziness and improve flexibility. Think light cardio and static stretches like holding a hamstring stretch or a quad stretch. These stretches will help relax your muscles and improve your range of motion. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Hydration is also key, so make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. As you get fitter, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This progressive approach will help you continue to see improvements and avoid plateaus. Chapter 4. Fueling your fitness nutrition advice for optimal performance. Listen up, because what you eat plays a huge role in how you feel and perform during your workouts. It's not just about hitting the gym, it's about what you put into your body to fuel those sessions. We're talking about fueling your body with the right nutrients to maximize your results. The right diet can make the difference between feeling sluggish and feeling energized. First things first, hydration is key. Water is essential for every cell in your body. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Staying hydrated helps you maintain peak performance. Water helps regulate your body temperature, transport nutrients, and flush out waste products. Without enough water, your body can't function at its best. Now let's talk about macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. These are the core components of your diet. Think of these as the building blocks of your diet. Each macronutrient plays a unique role in your body's overall function and performance. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, which is especially important as we age. It helps you recover faster and build strength. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and tofu. Incorporate a variety of these into your meals. Carbohydrates provide your body with energy. They are your body's primary fuel source. Focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These provide a steady release of energy. These are digested more slowly, providing sustained energy for your workouts. Avoid simple sugars that can cause energy spikes and crashes. Fats are also an important source of energy, and they play a crucial role in hormone production and nutrient absorption. They help your body absorb certain vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble. Choose healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats support overall health and well-being. Remember, it's all about balance. No single nutrient can provide everything your body needs. Aim for a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. This will ensure you get a wide range of nutrients to support your fitness goals. Chapter 5. Beyond the gym lifestyle habits for long-term health. Alright, we've covered workouts and nutrition, but here's the secret sauce: lifestyle habits. These are the small, everyday actions that add up over time to create a big impact on your health. These are the things you do consistently, day in and day out, that have a massive impact on your overall health and well-being. Let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is often overlooked but is essential for your body and mind. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. This isn't just about quantity, but also about the quality of your sleep. Sleep is when your body recovers and rebuilds from your workouts. It's the time when your muscles repair and your mind processes the day's events. It's also crucial for hormone regulation, cognitive function, and mood. Next up, stress management. Managing stress is just as important as physical exercise. Stress can wreak havoc on your body, leading to inflammation, fatigue, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Chronic stress can also affect your mental health, leading to anxiety and depression. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones. Consistency is key. Make these stress relief activities a regular part of your routine. Make exercise and healthy eating a part of your routine, not just something you do every now and then. Consistency in these areas will lead to long-term benefits. The more consistent you are, the better your results will be. It's about creating habits that become second nature. And finally, don't forget to have fun. Enjoying the process is crucial for maintaining these habits. Find activities you enjoy and make fitness a part of your social life. This way it won't feel like a chore, but something you look forward to. Join a gym, find a workout buddy, or try a new fitness class. Social support can make a big difference in staying motivated. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment in your future. The effort you put in now will pay off in the long run. Make it a priority and enjoy the journey. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress along the way. There you have it, guys. Everything you need to know to get started with HIIT workouts and boost your fitness after 50. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes to your health. Start by assessing your fitness level, setting smart goals, and creating a balanced workout plan that includes HIIT, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Fuel your body with nutritious foods, prioritize sleep, manage stress, and stay consistent with your efforts. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.